Alright mates, I'm back, and I'm going to make this into a bit of a challenge. I'm going to do the breath holding challenge, and I'm going to do 4x4 this time. So, I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube in as little breaths as I can. So, I'm allowed to take more than one, because one is going to be pretty hard, because this takes me over like a couple minutes to do, and I can't hold my breath that long. But, so yeah, I'm just scrambling this up, and we're going to see how much breaths it takes to solve this. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be solving, right? I'll be solving and then run out of breath, and I'll put the cube down. I'll regain my breath, and then when I'm ready, then I'll pick it up and I'll keep going. And we're gonna keep track of how many breaths that is. I'll probably put like, I don't know, words on the screen or something. But anyways, I'm gonna get to this. So I'm going to. I think that's good for scrambling. I'm gonna start steadying the cube for like 30 seconds or something. I'm gonna calm my heart rate and get ready. So I'll be quiet. 1 second. Okay. Wait a second. I didn't hold my breath. What am I doing? Alright, that's the first round. I got all the centers done, and I got one edge piece. I got the green, white. So I'm gonna regain my breath. Not gonna do any moves, but I'm just gonna regain my breath. Alright, that was number 2. I got like another 5 edge pieces. I'll probably get all the edge pieces done in this breath. Alright, I got this. Oh my gosh. I'm running out of breath. I got all the edge pieces done. And I got the red side done. It's really hot here. I'm freaking out. Okay, I'm gonna go in a sec. Fourth breath. Oh! Oh my gosh. I literally almost died. Not really, but... Oh my goodness. That was intense. I thought I was gonna get a parody there, but I didn't. I got lucky. I completed it in 4 breaths. That I did way better than I expected. I expected to get like 6 or 7 breaths, but I did it in 4 somehow. So there we go. The challenge is out there. Can you beat me in 4 breaths? If you do, then leave a comment, and I'll try to beat you. I don't know. Maybe yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching, mates, and see you later. Have a good day.